Welcome back to the channel, you kooks. We're here in Bend, Oregon. It's one of our last nights here and we really made the most of today. We went mountain bike riding and we built a fire so we could cook some food. Tonight we are excited to try out two of our favorite van life items with you guys. We really like our outdoor spaces when we hold it down for a while, so we're going to show you how we hold it down. So one of our first favorite items to set the mood is this Helion portable mini cat light. It's like an emergency light. It has this huge battery bank. It's like 24,000 mAh. So there's that, and then there's this dimmer button for it. But this thing is awesome. It's great for emergencies. If you have it in the van, it's fully submersible, waterproof, so you don't got to worry about it getting messed up in the rain or something if you have to put it out. Or at night, we like, since it has a dimmable feature, we like to like set up some sort of like nice ambiance outside with the lights and everything. So we'll show you how we do that. We're just waiting for the sun to go down and stop stealing the show. So this is the light here, and this is a pretty amazing quality. We've been through our fair share of LED strips because of Burning Man, and they always break. This looks like it is so durable. It's water submersible, like I said. You can use it, there's different connectors that come with it, and this one you can charge straight into a Tack Life or a Jackery if you wanted it to have a bigger battery, or you can switch it out and have it go into here. This can also charge, I charge my iPad on here, and you can charge phones, and there's like a SOS light too, in case you need that for any reason. That's cool. And then this is how it charges. This is the only way that we've been able to charge it, so you need to, I wish for some reason this would charge this, but it only charges this. And this just plugs in here on the Tack Life, plugs in there, and then you got charge. This thing will also connect to other ones like this. So it has a buddy system, so you could set up a whole huge system if you wanted to. It comes with a pretty cool little organizing bag for the battery and for this, and we're really gonna use this a lot this summer. I can already tell, I'm excited. And now we're gonna wait for the sun to go down.
The sun is down and the light strip. Danny was giving me shit about my little sticks, but now they look cool. So yeah, we got it dimmed all the way down. It gets very bright. Whoa. Whoa, man. Chill out. And then the projector, so badass. We're at the Van Kooks. I don't know what this place is. It's pretty trippy, man. So this is the Electric Sheep HD. It's a YouTube video. Highly recommend it. So yeah, it's just projecting off the ViewSonic. The, what's it called?
ViewSonic Mini M1.
The ViewSonic Mini M1 comes with a USB and an HDMI and a little remote. We Velcro it because if you lose it, you're fucked. Dim the lights. Show you the campsite. Looks a lot cooler now, huh? Movie time coming soon. So I think everyone can agree that's the coolest van right there. Look at that paint job. Yeah, we love this light. This thing is amazing. So check it out. It's gonna change your life. With the projector, you're gonna have a theme camp. All right, well, the evening is winding down and it is time to watch a movie. So you can see you got a few options here. You got photos, music, movies, HDMI, and settings. So we're gonna watch a movie. The fire's crackling down. Dim the lights. that's so fancy.
You have to click at it, man.
And we are watching Dave. We're on to this show. It's pretty funny, but we're gonna sign off. I know you can't see me, so I'll turn the lights on. But like and subscribe, guys, and check us next week and see what else we're getting into.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Think I found a place to lay my head under the citrus tree. Would you like to sit with me? And somebody said, oh, you could just lay